The wide receiver formerly known as Ocho Cinco is making headlines again, but Chad Johnson isn't being recognized for football. Here's WMAZ with the details.
Miami Dolphins wide receiver Chad Johnson spent the night in jail on a domestic violence charge. Police arrested the football player last night at his Florida home after allegedly headbutting his newlywed wife.
According to WPEC, Johnson told police he and his wife had accidentally knocked heads. But when police arrived, Evelyn Lozada had cuts on her forehead from an argument at dinner that went sour.
Police Captain Dale Engel says during an argument yesterday, Johnson headbutted his new wife. Investigators say the argument started when Lozado found a receipt for condoms in a car.
A senior analyst for Bleacher Report says it's doubtful Johnson will lose any playing time, but another fine is possible, which seems to be the trend for the wide receiver whose off-the-field activities sometimes get more attention than his skills on the field. Being a big-time personality has its advantages, as we've seen with Johnson, but it also means everyone is going to pay a lot more attention when that personality slips up. And to call domestic violence merely a slip-up would be an extreme understatement. Johnson hasn't been arrested once since he began his NFL career, and according to SB Nation, this violent act seems a little out of character. In his autobiography released in 2007, he seemed to take pride for his clean record and specifically for not hitting women or getting in fights. He told ESPN back in 2001 he wants to be remembered as a humble, nice person who didn't have any off-the-field problems. Johnson was released from the New England Patriots in June, and this season he'll be playing for the Miami Dolphins. But a USA Today writer says Johnson's football career isn't the primary concern. The team in the league have a bad situation at hand. Considering New York Giants quarterback Eli Manning represents the NFL in the White House's One is Too Many campaign to end violence against women. For now, Johnson remains in custody. TMZ reports he will have to go before a judge before he can be released. For Newsy, I'm Logan Tittle. Multiple sources, The Real Story.